Hello, all my lovely and adorable audience. Today I'm gonna make my another vlog video, and you know one thing, guys. So first of all, I welcome you all to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and today something is very exciting. I'm going to do that. Thing is that I'm just living for Varanasi. So I'm gonna leave my room right now and we are just leaving for Varanasi for some important work. So first of all, I'm just going to my God. Jai Bholenath. So bye bye Bholenath. I'm just leaving. So please bless us always. So guys, now we are just going to take a bus on the road. So you can see my husband and my son. So my husband is just taking care of each and everything. Have you turned off fan or not? I'm asking something. Fan and light, everything? It's okay?
Everything is closed.
Everything is closed. Okay. So guys, now we are just about to leave and my husband is just locking the room. Oh my god, what happened? Again, why? I don't know, guys, what is happening there, that he is opening the room and the locking. Actually guys, you know, I'm going to tell something very crucial, very bad about myself, and the thing is that I'm very careless about everything. I'm so much careless. I don't know why. This is my habit, this is my bad habit, you can say anything, but I'm so much careless. That's why my husband never trusts me at all. He is always, guys, you can see the sun is beating us so hard. Oh my god, but I have to leave. And definitely after reaching Varanasi, I'm going to get lots of rashes on my face. My allergy will be increased, I know very well, but you know guys, I have to go, and due to some medical and medicine purpose I have to go, just because we have to take medicine from BHU. That's why we are going to Varanasi. Otherwise I don't want to go. And personally on Sunday, I never want to spoil my Sunday in wandering here and there, because you know one thing, on Sunday I want to stay at home, I want to take a rest, but sometime due to some important work I have to leave my room. Otherwise I never want to leave my room personally on Sunday, you know, because I want to always enjoy my Sunday by sitting at home and by Babu, just give me, can I carry this? So guys, as you can see, there's a cow junk beside me. So I was telling that on Sunday I want to live my Sunday fullest, to it fullest, but I have to go sometime somewhere. I have to leave my room, that's why. So now guys, I'm just going on the road, so I have to stop my video. So guys, as you can see that we have already picked up the bus. So now we are in the bus, and I hope that you know about my problem, that in bus mostly I'm facing the problem something. So I think, and right now the sun is hitting also so hard. I'm sitting on the last seat, and you know one thing guys, I think Sarthak is not feeling good. He is also having little bit cough and cold, just because always he is drinking water from fridge. He never drink normal water. Whenever he feels thirsty, so always he is just going straight to fridge. Oh my god, the bus is making us bounced so much. So Sarthak, are you enjoying your journey? Look here, don't feel shy. Look at my audience here, what will they say about you? So as you can see that I have reached Varanasi, and now I have taken my auto. So now we are going straight to my home and my boss home, as you know. And you can see Sarthak is enjoying drinking ganna juice. I think sugar cane juice. Yes. So Sarthak is enjoying a lot. His most favorite drink is ganna juice. whenever. And as you know guys, he is not feeling well, but still he was insisting. After seeing the drink, he started insisting like, "Mama, please, I had to drink this." So I said, "Okay, you can drink." So you know one thing guys, like my mother and my sister-in-law, they both just called me, and they kept calling and they kept asking like, "How long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach?" I said, "Oh my God, don't disturb me. I will be reaching very soon." Yes, they are super duper excited for me. Okay guys, so after reaching my home, I will just show you the excitement of my sister-in-law and my mother. Okay, so you can see little bit Varanasi, as we are in Varanasi right now. So you can see the, oh my God. So guys, I think there's lots of background noise. So now guys, we have reached to a shop to purchase something for my siblings. As you know that I have two siblings, one nephew and me. So their most favorite dish is cake. So I decided to buy cake for them, and also some sweets, chocolates and chips. You know, mostly kids are liking all these things. So always whenever I'm coming here, so my nephew is asking only, "Bua, chocolate. Bua, please bring chocolate for me." So with chocolate, sometimes he is demanding cake as well. So that's why I'm getting cake from here, and Sarthak is taking rest properly, you can say. So we are waiting for the shopkeeper bhaiya, that when he will come and just give something to us. So which flavor cake you like to get? Strawberry or vanilla?
Strawberry.
Strawberry would be better. Okay guys, so we are going to have strawberry flavor. Okay, so after having this, I will show you the excitement of my nephew. After seeing cake, he will just feel so much happy and excited. Now I am feeling a little bit exhausted. As you can see that I have only little hair on my head, and it also my all hair get tangled. This is the problem with me, always I am facing whenever I am traveling for long distance. So my hair is just getting tangled so much, and after that whenever I will go to comb my hair, so definitely I will face problem, and definitely I will face lots of hair fall issue. But I can't avoid this. I have to face. Hey, just to purchase that lollipop. So guys, can you see this lollipop? Oh, no, this one. So this lollipop, you know, this is my niece's favorite. It's a cherry lollipop, I think. Cherry something. So yes, she likes it most. So
कैसे भैया?
guys, you can see now we are just tasting cake. So we are going to have half kg only. I want to have 1 kg full. So guys, now guys, I'm gonna have the cake. So we will meet after reaching home. And now I have reached to the colony where exactly I wanted to reach. So guys, now we are just going forward towards our destination, and we have almost reached our destination. So this is the colony of my mama's colony. We have reached, and I'm so much excited now to meet my siblings personally. Guys, you know one thing, literally if I share about my feeling, so due to my busy schedule, I never want to go anywhere, I never want to visit anywhere. But whenever it comes to visit Varanasi, so that moment I first of all, whenever my husband asked, "Do you want to go?" So I'm going to take my medicine, so if you want you can also join me. So I said, "No, I don't want to go, you just go alone." then I recall about my nibblings. So whenever I think about my nibblings, so I feel like yes, I have to go and to meet them. So now guys, my mummy is waiting for me by sitting outside, and now I'm going to turn my camera. So now guys, you can see my mama is just waiting for me, so I'm just turning back and she is my niece, cute niece. So now they are so much excited, and finally you can see that I have reached to my mama's place. You can see my mama is here, and I'm going to touch feet of my mother, and she is my niece. Hey Shavi, Shavi, look here. Sabu, taklu, 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 taklu. Say hi, Shabu, hi. Say hi. Oh, you are taking biscuit. Are you eating biscuit? And you can see my beautiful home here. My mama's home. And you can also see my sister-in-law. So are you excited to have me here?
Yeah.
I'm
Very excited.
You are very excited? Yeah, guys, as you can see, she is decorating room for us just because her nanad was about to come, so she was super duper excited to welcome. Why are you decorating so much? We are not like guests, okay? My nephew is just sleeping right now. Otherwise, he would have come at once to meet me after listening my voice. So Lado, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, in which class do you study, Lado?
I am 4th class.
Okay, you are in 4th class. Wow. So would you like to come on my channel, my YouTube channel? You know about my channel, that I am running YouTube channel. Okay, I'm not your ma'am, yeah, Lado. You can say me Bua, okay? I'm just like your Bua, just because I'm Sivansh Bua. So guys, she is a neighbor of my family, and her mother is also best friend of my sister-in-law and the mother. Were you waiting for me, Lado?
Yes.
Okay. So after this, you know, if you watch my today's video, so you will see yourself on my channel.
Okay.
Are you excited to see you on my channel? Okay, wow. So do you want to say something to my audience? You don't want to say? At least say, I'm very happy, Bua, to see you here.
Yes.
So say, I'm happy to see you here.
I am happy to see you here.
Oh, wow, that's great. And my brother is also sometime teasing me that you must be the first lady or first girl in this world who is denying always to come to Law's house, to come to maternal house. Otherwise, all the girls, all the ladies who want to go on to just visit their maternal home very happily, and whenever you are coming, so you are always in rush to go back, to go to your home, to go to your room like this. I don't know why, guys, but this is the fact that I'm always feeling more comfortable, my village, but I'm also enjoying visiting here, and I love my Shavu a lot. You can see my Shavu. Shavu, say hi. So you know, guys, her name is Savi, but mostly it's my habit that I'm calling her Savu with this name Savu, just because I love this name Shavu. In love, I can say lovingly, I just call her Savu, and my nephew's name is Sivansh, so I'm just calling Shivanshu and Savu. So guys, now you can see my both nibblings like Nish and my nephew Sivansh. They both are enjoying eating chips and Lays. What are you eating, Sivansh? What are you enjoying eating? Show me something. This is Lays. It's your favorite? Okay, Babu, just say my audience, what's your name? What's your name? Sivansh? Look here. So guys, when... Oh, your name is Lollipop? Yes.
What is your name?
What's your name? What's your name? Shivansh. My name is Sivansh Singh. And what's your name? What's your name? So guys, as you can see that they both are enjoying eating their Lays, lollipop, okay, and chocolate, and you have to also eat something special, your most favorite thing, and that is cake. It's surprise. Okay, so I think he is saying to open. Okay, so let me open now. It's opened. You can eat it now. So they are so much busy in eating their items, food items. And when I reached that time, Shivans was sleeping. So after hearing my voice, he just wake up at once. That, oh my gosh, what a beautiful surprise! My Bua has come without any information. It's a surprise. Savi, are you happy? Say hi. Yes. Say bye, Savi. Bye bye. So guys, now I also want to play with them, enjoy with them. So and talk to my mama and Achana. And guys, you can see my mama, the most beautiful and my favorite lady in this world, and she is my mother. So now I am also very much excited to talk something to my mother and my sister-in-law. That's why I'm going to say bye, oh my dear audience. So enjoy your day. Savi, say bye. Shivansh, say bye. Bye bye. Savi, say bye to my audience. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes. And so bye bye guys. We will meet again in next vlog. Bye.
I